Hello everyone. Okay, time for our phonics now. And today we are going to be doing our last phase 3 sound, which is going to be very exciting. So before we do that, let's have a little practice of all of the sounds that we've learnt so far, and let's see how many of those we can remember. So here we go. X, I, ch, 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 z, v, j, 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 y, 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 mm, o, ow, ow, o, a, e, e, z, w, w, qu, qu, oi, oi, ah, ah, Okay, remember we've got two sounds for this one. So we've got the long oo sound, oo, and we've got the short So we've got oo and Well done, everyone. Okay, and now we're on to our trigraph. So we've got our 3 letter shapes that make our one sound. So this one that we've learnt this week already is ear, ear. Well done. Our other trigraph that we've learnt this week, remember 3 letter shapes for one sound, air, air. Well done, everyone. Okay, and I'm going to, before we look at our new sound for today, we're going to just have a little go at doing some blending with these 2 sounds that we have already looked at. Okay, so let's start with this sound. And you might notice that we've got that sound because this sound is also a word. So we make the air sound, but it's also a word by itself. So for this one, we say air, and it's the air around us, the air that we breathe. And we're also going to see this sound now in some words. So let's have a little look. P, air, pear. Well done. And let's have a go at this one, blending. H, air, hair. Well done. Sound this one out for me and blend. Ch, air, chair. Well done, our class. Okay, let's have a look at our other trigraph we learnt this week. So this sound, ear, and if I show you again, we have got this sound is also a word by itself. And we know what this one is. It's our ear, like our ear on our head. So here it is by itself. So we can make this sound in a word, but it's also a word by itself. So for this one, we would say ear. Well done. Now let's have a look at it in some words. So here we go. Yeah, ear, year. Well done. In another word. Ear, near. Well done. And sound this one out for me and have a go at blending. B, eared, beard. Well done, our class. Great job with your blending today. Okay, a new trigraph for us today. So let me remind you what we're going to be looking at. So here is our sound that we're going to learn today, and we've got 3 letter shapes. So 3 letters, and they're going to make our one sound for today. So we've got our U, R, E letter shapes, and we're going to make one sound with those. And this sound is yaw. Yaw. Can you have a go at saying that for me? Yaw. Yaw. And this is a little bit of a tricky one. So what we're going to do today, it was just going to have a little look now at some words with our yaw sound in. So let's have a little look. So here's our first word. And this word we're going to say pure. Let's have a little go at now sounding that word out. So we've got p, yaw, pure. Well done, everyone. Let's try that one again. P, yaw, pure. Well done. Let's have a go at another one. So here it is, our word. Let's sound out. K, yaw, cure. Let's try that again. K, yaw, cure. Well done, everyone. Great job. Great job with that. Okay, let's try a little bit of a longer word this time. So remember, we've got our yaw sound on the end. Let's sound out the first few sounds that we've got before that. S, e, k, yaw, secure. Let's try that again. S, e, k, yaw, secure. Well done, everyone. That's a long word there. Okay, we've got one more to try for today. Well done, you're doing such a good job. Let's have a look. Oh, another long one for us. Let's have a look at those sounds. Ready? Ah, yaw, manure. Let's try that again. Ah, yaw, manure. Manure. Well done, everyone. Great job with that today. And we'll have another look at that sound tomorrow, and we'll do some more blending and segmenting practice. Well done, everyone. I'll see you later for our story. Bye for now.